Join me as I dive deep into the mystery of TLT stock and try to uncover what's really going on behind the scenes. TLT stock, or iShares 20+ Year Treasury Bond ETF, is a popular investment vehicle that tracks the performance of long-term U.S. Treasury bonds. If you're into investing or just trying to understand the bond market, TLT stock is definitely worth paying attention to. Its relevance stems from the fact that long-term Treasury bonds are often seen as a safe haven asset, and their performance can give us clues about the overall health of the economy. Investors face a number of challenges when considering TLT stock. One major concern is interest rates. When interest rates rise, the value of existing bonds with lower yields tends to fall, and vice versa. So, if you're thinking of investing in TLT stock, you've got to keep an eye on interest rate movements. Market volatility is another challenge. Bond markets can be pretty sensitive to economic data releases, and TLT stock can experience significant price swings as a result. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for making informed investment decisions. The relationship between TLT stock and interest rates also plays a significant role in shaping investor sentiment. Furthermore, investors need to consider the impact of inflation on the purchasing power of the bond's future cash flows. Economic indicators like GDP growth, inflation rates, and employment numbers can have a significant impact on TLT stock. For instance, strong economic growth might lead to higher inflation expectations, which could push interest rates up and hurt TLT stock. The Federal Reserve's policies are another key factor. As the central bank of the United States, the Fed has a huge influence on interest rates and the overall direction of the bond market. Their decisions on monetary policy can either support or put pressure on TLT stock. Investor sentiment also plays a role, as market participants' attitudes towards risk and reward can drive demand for TLT stock. Additionally, global events and geopolitical tensions can influence TLT stock, as investors seek safe haven assets during times of uncertainty. One critical insight to keep in mind is that TLT stock's performance is closely tied to the yield curve. Recently, there has been a lot of talk about the yield curve inverting, which has historically been a recession indicator. While it's not a guarantee, it's definitely a trend worth monitoring. Another important development is the ongoing debate about the Fed's role in shaping interest rates. Some argue that the Fed has been too aggressive in raising rates, while others believe they're just getting started. Understanding these trends and their potential impact on TLT stock can help you make more informed investment decisions. Recent economic data releases have also shown signs of a slowing economy, which could have implications for TLT stock. Moreover, the current yield on TLT stock is an important metric to monitor, as it can affect investor demand. To wrap things up, understanding TLT stock is crucial for anyone looking to navigate the bond market. We've covered the challenges investors face, the factors influencing TLT stock, and some critical insights to keep in mind. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's essential to stay informed about TLT stock and its role in the broader market landscape. If you've got any thoughts on TLT stock or investing in general, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my other video on investment strategies, where we dive deeper into some of the concepts we've touched on here.